Hello, please subscribe now Village Yoga Studio for my channel new videos. All of you namaskaram. Today we are discussing Garudasana. Garuda means the mythic king of the birds, the vehicle of Vishnu. Benefits of Garudasana. First one, strengthens and stretches the ankles and calves. Stretches the thighs, hips, shoulders, and upper back. Improves concentration, improves sense of balance, eliminates the enslavement of the shoulders, develops the sense of balance, strengthens the leg muscles, develops ankles. Contraindications and cautions. Students with knee injuries should avoid this pose or perform only the leg position described in the beginner's tip below. Thank you. Thank you all. Today we discussed Garudasana. Please like and share.